I often hear so many of my clients saying, I'd love to make juice, but I don't have a juicer. Well, I have found a way to get past that by using your blender. Yes, you can make your very own green juice, your detox juice, using just a few ingredients and water and your own blender. So I've chosen for this green juice is to use celery stalks. I've used about 3 celery stalks, the juice of 1 lime, parsley, which is very cleansing to the blood and to your major organs, as well as spinach and 16 ounces of spring water. So I'm just gonna put everything into the blender and then allow the blender to do the work. Now you may be thinking, wow, this is a lot of greens. I see stems, I see leaves. How in the world is this going to become juice? Well, I can assure you, I've done this many times and I will show you exactly how to prepare this juice, but I will also share with you how to buy a blender that will produce juice, because not just any blender will yield a juice like this. Some juice blenders will leave a lot of pulp, some will leave a lot of foam, but you want to make sure that you buy a high-speed blender like a Vitamix. So now that I've added all of my ingredients, my greens, my herbs, the water, and the lime juice, I'm just going to allow it to blend on high speed. Now let's talk about blenders. There's a few places you can get a Vitamix. I know you're thinking, oh, they cost $400 or $500. But if you don't want to make that type of investment, here are a few tips. You can always purchase a Vitamix through a registered dealer. You can go to Vitamix.com. Not only do they have new blenders, but they also have refurbished blenders, which comes with a 2 to 3 year warranty. You can also shop for used or slightly gently used, I should say, Vitamix mixers on eBay. Also, did you know you can buy high quality mixers, blenders, and kitchen appliances at Goodwill? You can go on and shop for things like Vitamix. You can actually bid on them. And they have all different models and different price ranges. So check it out at shopgoodwill.com. So now the juice is done. All the ingredients have been pulverized by the juicer, and you get this beautiful green juice with virtually no pulp and very little foam. And now I'm ready for my morning run. This is a wonderful green drink that's good for the blood, good for the body overall, and you don't need a juicer. See how easy that was? So you can do this at home with simple ingredients. I say make it simple, make it good. So when you drink this, you're drinking to health, to wealth, and vitality. Have a great day.